Bonjour guys, how are you? It's very casual today. I'm going to do my hair this week, inshallah. Anyway, I have a Dior. I received it like 4 days ago and I cannot wait to open it with you to use it. So I thought I will make it a very casual, without makeup, without lenses, without. So let me flip the camera and show you what I have. It's a humongous, but not humongous, medium size box. This is the box waiting to be unboxing. It's beautiful. The packagings of Dior are the best. Are you ready? Let me put the camera and we'll open it together. Okay guys, this is the package. I love it. I thought that I will have the New Year package, Lunar New Year package, but they give me the print one, leopard print, which is gorgeous. Okay, are you ready? I didn't open it at all yet. Wow. Huh. Wow, I have a pouch here. This is cool. Huh, this is very nice pouch. Can you see that? I love it. And then the main box. Oh, I hate when it happens this. Wow, this is, oops. Wow, this is smashed. It is smashed. It's supposed to be cute. This smashed, maybe I can fix it later on. Yeah, it can be fixed. And I think inside was this one. Again, 999, always 999, guys. Yep, but this is the velvet, I think. I think it's the velvet. Yep, any size. And then I have this mini travel mini size. The new gloss repellent. Yeah, it's the color. Need to try it. I have the old version, but this one, it's cute though. Like this. And then I have those. I didn't try the foundation yet. Maybe I will try it with you guys. And this is Dior. Love their fucking colors too. It's beautiful. I like the actress too. Have you seen the chess game? This is the things. And I get the lunar envelopes. I collect them. I like them so much. This is the cord. And this is the envelope. They are so pretty. So pretty. Can you see that? I like them. I have the last or the year before. I can't remember. Just a souvenir. Anyway, I bought these two shower gel. And I have cushion here. I love those. I put them actually under my. Let me remove the box. I love those. I put them under my expensive bags actually. This cushion one, I like it. Okay, this is what mainly I bought, guys. I love this pouch because I have the Jasmin Desonge body gel, not body gel, sorry, body lotion, and I love the smell. It's not in your face, you know. Can you see that? Focus. Thank you. Yeah, and I decided to have the shower gel. Yeah, I love this one. And this one, lucky, I bought it like 3 years ago, 4 years ago, the body, again, the body cream. And yeah, thank you. I will have it. Yeah, and this is what I bought. Let me open this one with you guys, the Jasmin, because now it's so luxurious. This is pretty. Very luxurious. This plastic, but good plastic. Yeah, I think I will put it now and use it. So beautiful. Smell is good, so good too. Okay, guys, this is what I was waiting for you to be with me to open it. And this is what I have. I can't wait to try this mini size thing. Yep, and this one I think I will fix it. Let me fix it with you. It's easy to be fixed actually, but I don't know why it's smashed. Come on. It looks cute. Yeah, I did it. Yeah, it should be open from the, yeah, this is cute. Can you see that? I love it. I think I will not open it. I will leave it like that. La Grande Ours. I will leave it like that then. Yeah. That's it, guys. Anyway, I will see you in next video, and please give me a thumb up if you like it, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye.